Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yes, I am blonde, and yes, this is a tutorial. So y'all will be seeing my full tutorial once again. Y'all, I'm so happy. Let me do a full look for you guys. It's a full turn. So it took a while this time. It wasn't, I think I did less this time. I think I did four rounds, but I do it many times because I try to get it a certain color. So it looked more like gold, and this, like, I feel like the lighting looked more gold. And I don't know why, because I'm like, it's normal light, but y'all can see it's like this hair is like platinum white, y'all. Off camera it's platinum white. It's exactly what I love. So let's get right into this tutorial. Also, check out this look in my next video. So I just got the grease in my the outsides of my edges, so you know they don't burn. And I got my concoction made, y'all. It's a lot in here that's gonna be a while. I used the 30 developer. We're also using the 20, but I'm not gonna use 20 till we do like our last two. So let's just start, because it's been a while, y'all. I'm so excited. Also, I don't have to cut my hair either today. It's like, look at the length, we're good. I just gotta come brush this stuff out. So, oh my god, I'm so excited, y'all. It's been so long. I haven't bleached it. I haven't bleached it since before I went to Canada. Like the day before I went, 2 days before I went. That's the last time I bleached it. So it's been a while, and we need this. So. Oh my god, y'all. All the women, y'all know what I'm talking about when I say hair emergency. This was a hair emergency. I needed a hair fairy. Y'all, first of all, when I put that bleach on my hair, it sounded like a rug. My hair was so dry. Like I say, I was not feeling myself last week, and I just feel like that's why I didn't record Thursday. It just wasn't like, I don't know. I needed my hair done, and I had to wait till I come home to bleach it. So it was just so much, y'all. I just wasn't feeling it. I was like, I just need to, I don't know. I had to relax. So I'm happy I got to do this. But I'm using the 30 developer, and then I used the 20 at the end. And I was wasting stuff all over this video, y'all. But we ended up getting it done, because that's what we do. And it's going to turn out amazing. So I finished bleaching my hair, y'all, the first time. This is what it looks like, the full thing. We are going to let this sit for like 45 minutes. And then I will see you guys after I wash it out. I just got through washing it out, y'all. And this is it so far. It's like gold. And like with the white at the ends. This is so interesting. I always wonder why I do that. It's like white and gold. So I'm happy, because it's like the black is gone. Y'all don't understand. My hair be like, it's been a while since I bleached it. So I was just trying to wait till I come home this weekend, because I'm home. And I was just waiting. So this is it. And this is all blonde and gold, well, gold and white. We're gonna keep it moving. I'm excited because my hair has been needing help. This was legit a hair emergency, y'all. I was like, y'all seen some of my last two videos. I was wrapping my hair because I just didn't like know what to do with it. And it wasn't bad, but like it was just too much black on my head, and I don't want black anymore. So also, I'm gonna go in with the same stuff, because I have a lot more in here. Also, I already greased my edges, so let's just finish it. Y'all, I was over here looking like a newborn baby chick who just was hatched with this gold hair. I always forget that since my roots are black, it's like starting all over again when I was first bleaching it. When my hair is blonde, that's why the white is that's why the color was already white. Because that's why you see the white little strands, because my hair was already blonde. But the black part, you got to go through the whole process when it go dark gold, and then it go like gold, and then go light gold. That's just the process. That's why I bleach it so many times. It take a while, y'all. I can easily let it sit on here for like an hour, but like it dry up, and then it won't color anymore. So that's why I keep it on for like a good 45 minutes. But I think I did a really good job. I just got to make sure I remember to do my edges, because I always forget that for some reason. I always forget. For another 45 minutes, y'all. And I will wash it out, and you guys will see what it looks like. This is round 2. Let's finish this. I'm trying to make sure I get my edges. Y'all know how bad I just want to go across my eyebrows today, I swear. So I'm going to wash this out. We'll let this sit for 45 minutes and then wash it out, guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I washed it, guys. I let it dry because my head was itching. I was scratching like crazy. And you do not want to put bleach on your itchy head, because your head will be burning, okay? So this is what we look like afterwards. It's like really gold. So we have like 3 more rounds, y'all know me. So let's just keep it moving. Oh my God, y'all. Yeah, don't scratch your head. Well, scratch your head, but don't put bleach on it afterwards. Let that sit for like 20, 30 minutes, because your head gonna be itching and burning from all the chemicals, and it might feel hot after you wash it. It's just like a whole science project, y'all. Just let your hair cool down. I've been through it, trust me. It's not pretty. It itches and it burns. You do not want that. You do not want that chemical on your hair afterwards. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I washed it, guys. It's almost there, so this is not where I'm stopping. It's cute, but this is like not, this is too darker for me. In the camera, it looked darker than it is, so it's not that not that dark blonde, but I went on and made my next batch, which is my last batch. This is the 20 developer, so I'm just gonna go and start, and I put the grease on my edges so it don't burn my skin. We are almost done with this hair, y'all. I think I had one more round after this, which I'm surprised because I think I did 5 rounds, not 4. Maybe I confused myself. So now I am just about to finish this is my last round, y'all. It turned out really cute. Look at this, is like perfect. So I'm doing it one more time because the middle part, it'd be the darkest, and I don't know why. I think it's because, oh, I don't know why it's the darkest all the way in the middle, but I just want to make sure I get everything one last time because I really want this really, really white. Right, white, platinum, whatever, just really bright. So I'm gonna finish this and I'm gonna leave this on for only 20 minutes, not that long at all. And I'm gonna wash it out and you guys will see the finished look of everything. Okay guys, after all this 4-hour process, because the time was really just waiting, my hair is complete. I feel myself again, y'all. Y'all don't understand. I'm gonna do a 360 for you guys real quick, so let me do that for you guys. I really should have like a revolver so I can just stand and do this. But I love how it turned out. My hair is so hot right now, y'all. I've been bleaching this so much today. Oh my God. Y'all, let me just take it in. Y'all don't understand. I don't know what women do. All the girls know what I mean. Your hair is your life. You would do whatever you need to do to like make sure your hair is perfect. I'm not gonna cut it either. You could tell it's like, you know me. Y'all should know me at this point. This length, because you could tell like when I put my product on it, I was like, it looked like waves in it. So that's kind of like too long for me, but I'm gonna keep it like this. I actually like how it looked like this. It's really pretty. I can brush it, or like if I part it, it's like it's good. I'm gonna cut it probably like next 3 weeks. So, well, probably next 2 weeks. Then I'll cut it. But I think I'm okay with this until I get out of school. I think I'm okay with this length. I love how it turned out. It feels so good to be back. I had black hair for so long, and before that I had red hair and like orange hair, but like I never did blonde. But like now I feel like I've been doing it so much, I feel like it's not the same if it's not complete. I like the frost look, but like at some point when I kept cutting my hair because I shave it when it get too long, like curl up for me, I just don't like that. When it get like that, I have to cut it, and then I cut the blonde off because it's my roots, and then it's like it go off anyway. So it just become like too much black, and it look weird. So y'all, I'm just so happy I came home and got to do my hair because I feel so happy right now. I don't know what it is. It's like a gift. My hair is like a gift for me. I love how it look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am Tatiana Green. Check out my blog. I am Tatiana. This is the bleach I use for my hair. You get this at the hair store. Just like $10 for a big old bucket. And I only made two concoctions. And I used the 30 the first time, the 20 the second time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on the next one.